Here we go, HOBBYBOX604 back with another group break. This is group break number 814, double box of ice. No one traded in this one. Team random, $10 a spot. And here is the list. Anaheim, Lemko goes all the way down to Winnipeg and Balada.
Not trading Edmonton, Riley? What's wrong with you?
First box is box number 625. Good luck. Good luck. He's like, I said, do something for me, and you gave me Edmonton. Now I'm going to thank you before you give me a corner.
Thank you for the hit.
Okay, let's see what we get. We start with a retro ice premiers level 2 for the Dallas Stars, Matthias Janmark, 62 of 799. Dallas is Lemko. We have for the Anaheim Ducks, fresh threads of Stefan Nosen.
I love how they write 8+ on it.
They wrote on that too? Oh, on the cup, yeah.
Wow.
And our exquisite is for the Chicago Blackhawks, number 290 of 499. Exquisite collection, Bobby Hall. And we have a redemption. Oh my God. For the Dallas Stars, Ice Glacial Graphs Black, number 25. Mike Modano. Wow.
Dallas in the room?
Dallas in the room, and he said, fuck you. There you go. Mike Modano, number 25. Holy moly. Good box. Lemko.
Oh, nice.
And he wanted to trade his teams for Carolina.
Nice hit, Lemko.
Yeah. For the Vancouver Canucks, ice premieres to $14.99. Brendan Gaunce.
Sell the redemption then, Lemko.
Yeah, Dallas will buy it off you. Of course it's free. Or I can do it for you if you want. Up to you.
Yeah, it's free.
For the Winnipeg Jets, a global impact, Nikolai Ehlers. Yeah, man, I can't believe you don't have an account.
You've never got redemptions before?
I guess all the Hannafins are live.
So far.
For the New York Rangers, ice premieres to $14.99. Brady Sky, 364 of $14.99. Oh, okay. Well, give it to your buddy, or I can do it for you, or sell it to Dallas. And the last one is for the Boston Bruins to $19.99. Tyler Randall. Pretty good box.
Where's Boston?
Boston is Rufio. Second box is number 624. We have ice premieres for the Florida Panthers to $19.99. Sam Britton. For the Carolina Hurricanes, number 237 of 399. Exquisite Collection rookies, Brock McGinn. For the Vancouver Canucks, fresh threads, Jared McCann. Keep on pulling this guy since he got traded.
Oh, God,
Yeah, it is. It's a hobby box curse. For the Washington Capitals, ice premieres to $14.99. Chandler Stevenson.
I'll hit big one in your last year.
Hopefully. For the San Jose Sharks, Retro Ice Premiers Level 2, number 44 of 799, Nikolai Goldobin. Oh, I thought it was Connor. I don't know why. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Glacial Graphs of Shane Gostisbehere.
First gossip I've seen.
The Ghost, Rufio. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Ice Premiers Level 2, 746 of 799, Daniel Sprung.
Andy's got a hit.
And he has a hit.
Cool. That's level 2.
Yeah.
Level 2.
Is that good?
Well, it's level 1 and level 2.
It's not a bad card. Though.
It's not a bad hit.
Sprung's quick.
And for the Nashville Predators, Global Impact, Kevin Fiala. Don't tell me that was it. Wow, a weak box. For the Columbus Blue Jackets to 1999, Marcus Heinekainen. Weak box. Glad we had a better first box,
You'll
though.
be able to trade it to somebody. Put it up
Wow.
in the group. Somebody
Oh, yeah. Strong as
Somebody will
big.
snap
It's level 1 to 99.
149.
149.
So no multi-randoms to do, guys. That was our Group X 814. Thank you.
Off the top of my head.
I thought level